All right, everybody, I'm BJ from the 478. I greatly appreciate you tuning into my channel. And today, this is gonna be episode 6 of this 1975 Caprice Classic convertible. So I got a couple of things I wanna go over with you. I have one more episode after this, and that's gonna be the final completion. I got the back panels, as you can see here. They are in the making, and I have the top pillars already made. The back bottoms were the ones more complicated because of the size speaker that I'm gonna run on one of the PRV Neos, and it's just got a stronger and bigger magnet on it than I expected. So some slight modifications I had to do to that, so I'll finish that up this week and we just go from there. But let me reiterate what's going on in the trunk. So I have 2 Rockford Fosgate marine amps in here, DQ-DX made by Audio Control Signal Processor, and that thing is an absolute beast when it comes to time and delay, especially working in a convertible, and the amount of stuff I put in this vehicle. I really needed that to separate front and rear and then make everything blend in. Does that make sense? I hope it does, because if you heard this, you would say it makes sense. So this right here, I finally completed it and installed it. This is the actual center channel. Someone's gonna ask me, why didn't you put the vents back in there? Well, I didn't put the vents back in because this is one of my first ones that I made. And actually what happened was when I actually started fabricating this piece, I had great intentions on putting the vents back in here. But what happened was, after I start glassing and getting my shape with Mondo and stuff like that, I cut it out, but I locked the whole unit into place, and I wasn't able to open it up from the back and slide the actual control vent back in it. So I just decided to delete it and then vinyl the whole piece in a one-piece vinyl. And man, when I say that was hard to do, it was hard, but hard work pays off, because as you can see, that thing looked like it came in here. So how this grill is attached is I used some Neo magnets. So yeah, now we have 4 PRV Neos, and those things are loud as hell, people. You have great separation from the actual dash piece. The dash piece with 2 4s, they're PRV Neos in there too, as well as 2 PRV 3-inch Slims. Everybody, if you're new to my channel, you don't know, but I make the plates, which is, I have a patent on that as well, to where you're actually getting 2 4s and then 2 3s, and I'll show you what one of those plates look like in just a second if you are new to my channel. So like I said, the Neo magnets, they're awesome. Bam, that's it. Looks like it came in that car, as well as the back panels going in. They're gonna house another 3 and another slim tweeter, and then we got the 6.5 PRV Neos going down in the bottom pillar to actually give me the mid bass that I'm really looking for, because the PRV 6x9s, lo and behold, you don't think they would be loud and clear. They are very well noticed, especially when you shut the trunk, because they mount in from the back side, but they fire into this cavity here, and man, it makes a great, mid bass. It gives it a great full range sound, and you trust me, people, it's back there. So long story short, my customer wanted something nice and clean. I have the retro style radio in here as well. So I am gonna play it later on down the road, probably in the next episode. I just got to figure out some music and figure out a way to where I can really blast this thing and show y'all exactly, you know, what I'm hearing or something close to it, for the simple fact that, you know, all these copyrights and I'm probably gonna have to use some of my music that I use on my videos, but I will figure that out, people. But I'll try to give you a sample of that. You just gotta stay tuned. Like I said in the other video, I don't know if you've seen it, but if you haven't, let me reiterate it. This is the actual fuse box back here, to where if anything goes south, that's exactly what's gonna knock it out. Now this thing right here actually is good because it will take 2 4 gauges and then give me multiple grounds out as well, and it gives me 1 2 3 4 5 mini A&L fuses and 1 out gauge output. So 1 2 3 4 4 gauge inputs, 2 0 gauge outputs, or 2 4 gauge inputs. So yeah, very nice piece. I like them. They're nice and clean. I'm an Amazon junkie, man, and that's exactly where that came from. A good 30 bucks. Ask me for a link and I'll give you a link for it. But other than that, it's a great way to separate this and that, and you're on the move and you're on the go, and you know all your investment is well protected, because things can go south. You don't want the big smoke show. You want to go to the show, but you don't want the smoke show. So let me show you what I did under the hood, because all my customers, once their vehicles leave, they actually get a complimentary red top as well. So we have new wire here, new grounds, new battery posts, all that good stuff. And I also upgraded the hot wire on back of the factory alternator. Now, reasoning being, he is gonna bump up to probably a 6.2 motor in here. So the LS is coming, people. You just gotta stay tuned to the channel. If you like anything I'm doing, you have any questions, or you wanna, you know, actually get me your car, all my subscribers, they get 10% off. And I'm actually doing a giveaway once I get my actual 10,000 subscribers. I'm actually giving away a free install. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, you need to get, you know, check me out and like and subscribe and share these videos, because there are actually a lot of people that have these cars and just want to do something different. And I always do these cars and they are mediocre. The mids are okay, but what they really like to invest their money are big woofers or multiple woofers, and they want to hear the trunk just and knock the paint off of them. We're not doing this one. The customer said, I want a nice clean sound, I want mids and highs, and I want it to be loud. So on the next video, I got a surprise for you, because I'll show you exactly what that LC1 controls. And then, because like I said, it's no bass in here, but I'll show you exactly what that controls. And it's a game changer, because it's not like it hasn't been done before, but it's not what you do, people, it's how you do it. So enough said. First 1975 Caprice Classic with a custom center channel in it. Yours truly, I'm BJ from the 478. Like and subscribe. Next video coming out is going to be episode 7. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you.